How to uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. The first step to follow is simply you can disable apps. For that, launch settings on your device. Now scroll down and look for apps, open it. Tap app management. Now tap three dots at top right. Search for source system. Let's open Android switch, and there is no option to uninstall. Simply tap disable and tap disable. The other steps is simply you can uninstall through Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store. Tap profile at top right and choose the option for manage apps and device. Now let's look for manage and tap install. Choose not install. And here you see all the list of uninstall application. Get back to install and simply you need to select the particular application which you want to uninstall. Now tap the trash icon at top right and tap uninstall. And that's it. Those are two effective ways to get rid of stubborn Android apps that won't uninstall. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and check our playlist of Android tips given on the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.